In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a zap in Zapier, the incredible tool designed to automate your workflows. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, go to the Zapier homepage. To get there, you can simply click on the link in the description below or head over to zapier.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a clean interface waiting for you. This is where the magic begins. Now that you're on the homepage, look for a button that says Create. It's usually highlighted prominently. Click on it. If you can't find it right away, don't worry. It's designed to be user-friendly, so a little click around should help you spot it. After hitting that Create button, you're directed to another page where you'll need to click on Zaps. A zap is what you will be creating today, and it's essentially an automated workflow that connects two or more apps so they can work together seamlessly. Moving on to the next step. Once you're in the Zap section, it's time to set up your trigger and your action. Think of a trigger as the event that starts your Zap. For example, if you want to get an email every time someone fills out a form on your website, that form submission is your trigger. Now, let's dive into setting up your action. An action is what happens as a result of that trigger. Continuing with our example, your action could be sending an email notification or adding that information to a spreadsheet. The possibilities are endless. To set this up, you'll see a series of prompts guiding you through the process. First, you'll select your trigger app from a list of popular applications that are pre-integrated with Zapier. Follow the instructions to connect your app to Zapier. Don't worry if you're unsure about something. Zapier provides tooltips and support along the way. Once your trigger is set, it's time to add your action. Again, from the prompts, select the app where you want the action to occur. Zapier will then walk you through the integration process to ensure everything is working correctly. Now, after you've set both your trigger and action, take a moment to review everything. Ensure that you have the correct settings applied and click on the Test and Continue button to make sure that your Zap works as intended. If it passes the test, congratulations, you've just made your first Zap. Lastly, you will have the option to name your Zap. Do this so you can easily find it later. Then turn your Zap on, and you're all set. You now have a fully automated workflow that will help streamline your tasks and free up your time. So that's it. You've learned how to create a Zap in Zapier, a powerful tool for automation. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed this content and want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Happy zapping!